大家好，今天我们一起来学习12个汉字。Hello everyone, today let's look at our 12 Chinese characters. The first one today is 高, and it means high, tall, and elevate. You can use as an adjective. So the first one, 他比我高，比什么什么高 means taller. You compare with others. 他 means he is taller than me. 我 here means me. So 比什么什么高 means taller than. So the next one, 提高 Here 提 means lift. It's a verb. So you lift something higher. You lift something taller. It means enhance and improve. And the next one, 高兴 actually here 兴 it have the meaning of the interest, the spirit. It's a noun, so the high interest, the high spirit, it exactly means that pleased and happy, used as an adjective. 高兴 means pleased and happy. Okay, now let's look at how to write 高。1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。So 高 have 10 strokes. 高有10画。The next one is 很。It's very simple. It's a adverb, means very. Used as an adverb. And you usually add an adjective behind after it. So here is a sentence. 李小姐很漂亮。李小姐 means miss. 李小姐 means miss. 很 means very. 漂亮 means pretty. And the next one, 很多多 means very much, abundant. So 很多 means very much. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9。So 很 have 9 strokes. 很有9画。And the next one is 见。And its meaning is see, observe, or perceive. It's a verb. So the first one, 看见means see. Actually, 看 also have the meaning of see and watch. 看见 together means see. 我没看见他，没 means not. So 我没看见他 I did not see him. 下一个是见面面 have the meaning of face. So you see someone's face. You means meet. It's a verb. You meet someone in person. 见面1、2、3、4。So 见 have 4 strokes. Okay, next. The next character is 果 It has the meaning of the fruit and the result. 果 and here 水果 means fruit. And 水 is means water. 果 means the fruit, right? So the fruit that is full of water, have water, is 水果 And the next one, 苹果 it means apple. And the next word is 结果means the result. Actually, 结 here means bear, bear the fruit. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8。So 果 have 8 strokes. 果有8画。And the next one is C. And it has the meaning of the west and the waistcoat. And we have learned 东。东 means the east, and 西 means the west. Here, 西边 means the west of. 边 have the meaning of the side. So the west side is in the west of. It can use as a noun 西边. The next 东西 Actually, 东 is the east, 西 is the west. But when you put east and west together, is a noun in Chinese. It means the thing and the object. You can say it, I like this thing. 我喜欢这个东西。So here 东西 means the object and the thing. Okay, now let's try to write C together. 1、2、3、4、5、6. So C have 6 strokes. And the next one is 月, and it has the meaning of the moon. The first meaning is the noon, and the second meaning is the month. And it can also use as a radical, 月字旁. When you use as a radical, it means the meat related. And the first word is 月亮means the moon, 月亮. And the next one, 二月 means February. 二 means here means the second. 月 means the month. So the second month is exactly February. And the next word is 两个月here means two, okay? 2月 means months, so 两个月 means 2 months, true months. Okay, now let's try to write 月 together. 1、2、3、4. So 月 have 4 strokes. Okay, next. The next character is 画 and its radical is the talk related radical. We call it 言字旁. This one is the talk related 言字旁. And if you look into this character, it's red. Its right part is the tongue, 舌头 is the tongue, so you talk with the tongue. It has the meaning of the speech, talk, and used as a noun means the language. The first one, 说话 说 have the meaning of talk, so you talk something, you talk the language, something else. It just means used as a verb, means talk and speech. The next one, 电话 电 means electricity, electric 电话. The talk is with electricity. It means it's a call and a phone. 电话 Okay, now let's try to write 话 together. 1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8. So 画 have 8 strokes, 有8画. Okay, next one. Next one is 回. 回. It just simply means come back or return. So you go out. Here's your home. You go out and then you come back. This means 回. 回. Go out means 出. 出 and 回. The first character 回家. 回家. 家 means home, right? So 回家 means come back home, go home. And 回去. 回去. 去 means go. And walk. So 回去 means come back. Come back. Now let's write 回 together. It's just 2 mouse. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 回 have 6 strokes. 有6画. The next one. The next character is 先. 先. And it can use as an adjective. Means the first, former, and the previous. The first word is 原先. 原先 means at first. 原 also have the meaning of the former and ancient. So 原先 means at first. And we have learned this word 先生. 先生 means Mr. or Sir. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 先 have 6 strokes. 有6画. And the next character is R. R. And its basic meaning is the son, the child. And sometimes it can use as a suffix after a noun. So 儿子 means the son. And 女儿 女 means girl. So the child is a girl. It's actually the doctor 女儿. And 一点儿 here are just used as a suffix. 一点儿 means a little. You can also ask some question. 哪儿 means where. 那 the first tone means you can answer there 那. Okay, let's try to write R together. It's quite simple. 1 2 just 2 strokes. 两画. And the next one is 东 and it's very simple. It means the east or the eastern. So 东方 means the east, the orient. 方 means the direction. So the east direction, it means the east, the direction. And let's look at how to say 东西南北 in China. So this is 东, means the east, and this is the north, 北. And this is, the bottom one is 南, the south. And the left one is 西, and the west, 西. Here it's 南. Okay, now let's try to write 东 together. 1 2 3 4 5. So 东 have 5 strokes. 东有5画. And the last character today is 水. It's very simple. It just means the water. 水. So 喝水 means drink water. 喝 is the verb, means drink. 喝. And you should pay attention that when 水 used as the radical, it's in this way. 水 is the water-related radical. This is 3点水 3 dots of water. 3 dots. And we also have 2点水 2 dots of water. 2点水. Okay, now let's try to write straight together. 1 2 3 4. So 水 have 4 strokes. 1 2 3 4. 4画. Okay, that's all of today's 12 characters. I hope that you can learn some new characters and try to use the words that I have included here. So see you next video. Bye bye.